Pique Macho. A main dish from Bolivia. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the potatoes into thick, oblong pieces and fry them until tender. Step 2. Cut both kinds of the meat into 1-inch cubes. Step 3. Mix the meat and sausages and fry them in a small amount of oil, along with salt and pepper and vinegar. Step 4. Add fried potatoes and mix well. Step 5. In a bowl, cut the onion into rings and the rings in half, the tomato into wedges, and the locoto into tiny slices. Make sure you don't have any locoto seeds because they are lethal. Step 6. Mix everything together and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.